Hello and welcome to Let's Play Saints Row the Third. What is this? Oh dear. You're here with me, Ep.1, and basically I want to do a little Let's Play of it, but a cut up Let's Play, so basically there'll be, you won't get through the boring stuff. Johnny Gate and Shoddy are pop culture icons, and Pierce. Well, who gives a fuck about Pierce? I do quite like this introduction, it's quite cool. I'm in space. Ah, bright lights! Oh, beating the hell up. You're seeing things, my friend. Lol. Hadouken! Please tell me you can do Hadoukens in this game, it'd be amazing.
Super excellent! Nobody moves! Nobody dies!
Sorry, jumped this line. Can we go again?
Oh, this guy's funny.
Get in line, bitch!
Don't be a dick.
Would you call yourself gangbangers? Bunch of pussies!
He's such an
Should
old
be all
woman.
up in their shit like...
Oh, but she'd be packing. Oh, they all be packing.
Oh, that's different.
Did I mention I'm crap at PC games? I've bought like 50 of them. Machine gunning everything. No, you broke the horse. The horse is now lame. I'm going to kill everything.
That's right, you fuckers!
We're coming for you!
What a tit. I like him. He's cool. What the hell, man? Robbing everyone. Oh, he died easily. Wait, I suppose I can wait to like melee attack him or something. Oh, E. There we go. This is now my... What are you doing? Sorry. And then, what, you press E again to chuck... No, I'm just sorry, you died. What's going on here, man? I shot him in the ass and he didn't die.
No way we're cracking this.
Yeah, that'll help. Just punch it.
Yep. Shawnee,
Boom!
let's get the chopper and lift this baby out of here.
Hey guys, call up the helicopter. Found the way to open the vault. Don't touch it!
Idiot.
Are you trying to get us all jail time?
I don't know.
Switch in the weapons. What guns we got here then?
Sounds about right.
Submachine gun, shotgun, machine gun. I'm gonna go with the machine. No, wait, no. Ah, blind. The bugger off, all of you. No, I definitely gotta change to shotgun. I'm not afraid. I'll just get stuck in there. Guys, go, come here. Go, come here.
If I see him again.
I thought you two really had something.
Go. Don't be shooting me. See you later. Why you? Don't just stare at that. I'm here. They're kind of the same basic controls as quite a few other games, really. The game handles quite well, actually. Shooting isn't too bad. Don't you know this guy? Oh, fucking hell. I am on fire. Oh my god, I hope like this happens throughout the entire game, just like mass shootings and like event things.
Thought I shot that thing down.
Oh wait, this thing. Oh my god, you need to die like really badly. Woo! Okay, why hasn't the helicopter guy just flown off yet? There's some sort of really bad logic here. And this gun just never runs out of ammo. Look, I'm just holding down the mouse button now and just pointing. Oh, no, there we go. What are you doing?
Well, shit.
still did good, yay! I gained hardly any respect, as always. Bastards! Customized character, right? Sex, yes, please. Oh, so there you go. See, so this is me, and this is me how I'd like to be. There you go. So not far from off the truth.
My time outside.
How come so much chaos, so little time?
Okay, I've got to go with male number 3 because he's British.
Here comes the talent. Nice, very nice. Bring it down the house. Nice day, bring it down. Nice day we're having.
Gotta have the amigo.
Don't start something.
Oh, it's the... Oh, we gotta have that. So I've got like my own Ray Winston kind of thing. You can really take forever doing the customization.
The fuck is this? We paid up this month.
Player wishes to speak with you.
But bitch, you gotta die!
If you
Okay, now we're on a fucking plane. This game is never ending.
Listen, you French fuck.
Please. I am Belgian.
I am Belgium. He sounds French.
And I had so hoped to come to a rational business arrangement.
Oh, you just killed my friend, you bastard. Good, smack him in the head. Whoa! Well, we're all gonna die anyway.
There's like half a dozen guys.
I think he's gonna be dead. No, he's still alive. Cause he's fucking insane.
And enjoy the flight.
Whoa!
He's fine.
Whoa!
Oh, I can see some of our
Boom!
passengers are getting rested.
Quick time events.
Relaxing music for your enjoyment.
Whoa! Woohoo!
My apologies. Your captain is having trouble finding
I just kicked him in the ass. Whoa! Come on, guys, shoot your friend. Go on. Headshot. Fine. Fuck off. You're pissing me off now. What the hell happened to this guy? Yeah, we're on a plane. Mind the car. Grab the girl. I'm not doing anything, but I feel like I am. Okay, mind that one. Ah, damn it, man. Should call him Ray Winston, because he sounds like it. What? Whoa! Okay, now I'm holding a man.
For fuck's sake.
Can I go down? Oh. Okay, no, wait. Whoa! Yeah, get out of my way. Oh, almost killed my friend. It's alright, I got it.
Right?
Back in the pinch, love.
So it's like, back to the pitch, love.
Wait, what?
Steady. Steady now.
Got it. What? Oh, no, different plan. Woohoo! Thanks for the free thanks for the free parachute. Did I just take out a plane? You guys need to learn how to fucking shoot because you're a bunch of freaking pussies. Dive, my friend, dive. Oh, what the hell? God. Punch, 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 punch. Caught up with her though, it's all good.
Miss me?
All is well.
You're a fucking asshole!
Right, well, can't disagree there.
Respect, give me that respect, bitches! Yeah! Oh, it wasn't very much. Oh, look, we're down the red light district.
You'll be joining him soon.
Loren's gonna pay for this.
Right, yeah, map. My phone looks awesome. It's like a tablet in the one. Where are we going? There we go. Alright, awesome.
Oh, shit, I just realised we forgot about Pierce.
I texted him, he's bringing the crew.
I'm just like, I feel so badass right now in this whole game.
Here's the cash I have on me.
buy everything. Look at that gun right there on the store. Look at that. Oh my god. Oh, that's clothes. Oh, clothes. For some reason I want to go to a clothes shop. I actually want to go clothes shopping. Okay, why do I need a bra? No! Okay, that is more like me. God fucking damn it. I can't even buy it. Pee-wee. Okay, that looks more like Ray Winston right there. Price $90. I've got like a 73. I'll come shopping later. At least you can buy things after waiting for freaking ages for things to load. That's one thing I like. Jump, my friend. Shift and space quickly dive. What? Oh, right. Oh. Ow. Ow.
Going for another brawl.
Sorry. Whoa, 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 hang on. Ah! Ah! Oh! Yeah, I forgot why I started this fight. Come on then! Boom!
Nice one, boss.
What? Picking a fight with a hobo? Yeah, great job, boss. Oh, I like that car. Okay, maybe I don't. Oh, maybe I do. Yes, I do. Excuse me, Jeeves. Get out. I quite like this car. The driving actually is quite decent on this game.
All right, the gun should all be in that warehouse.
I've played worse. Whoa! Sorry. Whoa.
About that before attacking an armory.
I love to live in the moment.
Don't worry, Pierce has that covered.
Okay, everyone out. The words bollocks come to mind.
And a gunfight.
You're right.
Ah, boom!
Wait, you're serious? If we're staying, maybe it's time to try those UAV drones.
I'm hearing it. I'm hearing it.
Drones.
Just shut up and use the damn things.
Boom! This is awesome. I'm controlling a UAV drone. Where am I? Okay. Totally awesome. Oh man. Yes, yes. Come on. Missile tanks! Ah! Freaking tanks. No matter what game it is, they always pee me off. Okay, how do I not get... Oh, there you go.
We can't let them blow up the bomb. Or Pierce.
We have a
That'd be
bomb?
bad.
Wait, when do we get that?
Easier.
But there's like a gazillion helicopters. If I was playing Just Cause 2 right now, I'd like hook myself into each one of them and just take out the driver. But that's why I have different games. Why won't you get close enough for you to die? I've almost got it. What? Sorry, man. There you go. Oh, look at the scenery. Whoa! Taking it down. Oh my god. This game is just so much fun. I just love just blowing things up. It's like a movie. It's like a gangster... Oh, I don't like the idea of that missile. Quickly shoot the missile. Shoot the missile. Bollocks is going for us. Oh, 2 in 1! Okay, that's the kind of cash I wanted to see. And respecting me too, yes. I just like doing that for some reason. This is so much fun. Clothesline! No, I don't like her. She's a bitch. Ready? Watch this ad. Oh my god, I just rid her on the... Oh my god.